My name is Luis Castano with IAC's Tip of the Month. This month we want to talk about a subject that a lot of you are familiar with, but it's worth revisiting because it's common that we run into these old baghouses, really old, probably dating back to the 60s, sometimes even more, that don't work very well, but yet the operator just has to deal with it, with all the headaches, and do not modernize them because of there's no space above it, or there's other restrictions as far as access. And there is a very simple solution to modernize these baghouses with a pulse jet conversion. You may be familiar with old reverse air baghouses or shaker baghouses, which we still see, that don't work very well. Well, we know pulse jet is more modern, more reliable, easier to work with. But how are you going to modify an old shaker baghouse if you have a roof over it? You cannot do a conversion. You have to mess with the outlet ductwork, and it's a big project, sometimes thought of as not realistic or almost impossible. But let me remind you that what we can do, and we've done a lot of these, is put a tube sheet in the middle and put shorter bags with the components at this level and put an access door. So you create a clean air plenum for access, a tube sheet to do the dirty air plenum with short bags, and it's a very elegant and simple solution to implement at a much lower cost than replacing the baghouse or accessing the area. We can bring the pieces by hand almost. So this is something, if you want to consider upgrading an old baghouse, this is usually an excellent option. And pulse jet baghouses are more efficient, so we know that we can go to a higher cloth, so we can put small bags and still have the capacity that we need for the system. So a way to get the more efficiency and better performance out of your old system, an internal pulse jet conversion that uses the existing housing might be the right solution. So call us to discuss this option for your system. We'd be happy to help. Thank you.